If you've been looking for a vacuum cleaner, this one has a pretty cool feature, which we're going to show you. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this vacuum cleaner. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. We are a multi-dog household, so we're gonna put this thing to the test and see just how much fur it can pick up. Ooh, here we go. I like that it has the green. That really helps on the hard floor. It helps on the carpet too, but it really helps on the hard floor. What level do you have it on?
Low.
Low? Oh, okay. So up on the top here is the buttons to switch it. And off. Battery level. Okay. Ooh! So there's 3? Holy cow! Well, that's going to be helpful considering, you know, we're always battling the dog hair.
Right.
How cool. So, you want to show them the super secret feature that vacuum cleaner has? Yep. Check that out. Look, now you can get under the couch over there.
I don't know if I can, but I can.
Oh, you sure can.
I can hit the pole. That's
Yeah, but you couldn't do that with your other one. That's so cool. So if you guys need to like vacuum under a table, under a bed, under anything it's gonna fit under, and that it's just got a button on the back, and it folds and vacuums. Oh, you can actually see the dog here.
Yeah.
And the dust.
And the dust.
How cool. It's not that loud. I like that it's not super loud. It's definitely filling up your canister. I can already see it.
Yeah,
Jamie,
we'll have to check that out.
Jamie had not vacuumed yet today. Full disclosure, he usually vacuums every day. So we wanted to kind of get through most of the day today before we use this so we could really see how good it did. Because we do have 2 little floof balls that shed like crazy. It's lightweight. It's... Oh, there you go. Okay. And that's still on low. If we put it on high, it'll suck the beanbag chair into the vacuum.
Well, no, it might just suction itself off.
Yeah. I think this is going to be a pretty nice little compact vacuum cleaner for this house. It definitely got a lot of fur. Holy cow. Yeah, I think you overfilled the max line, hun. I'm just saying. Maybe a little.
Alright, so now we get to learn how to open it.
Oh, yeah. I think if you push that, the whole thing's, the bottom's going to come out. So you might have to do it over the trash.
Okay, that's how my other one
Yep.
is, so.
Yep. So there you go. So you take that and then you take the whole thing, take it to the trash, push that button, it'll open right up. Oh, check this out. Okay. So you can actually twist it and it comes out?
Yep, twist it and it comes right off.
Huh.
And then I can dump that out. And this probably comes out of there too.
Nice.
Oh,
Huh. Makes it easy to empty, especially when you overfill it a little bit, which happens every time we vacuum. I don't know if I showed it, but it does come with some attachments as well. And then it comes with this nice base that it sits on, plugs into the wall. You put it on there and it starts charging, which is awesome. All right, so after using it for a while, the conclusion is this is the perfect vacuum for in between hauling out the great big vacuum, which we do every couple of days. So it's perfect. Great for hard floors. Worked really good getting dog hair off the carpet, dog hair off the beanbag chair. And I love the fact that it folds in half to make it easier to get underneath things. I would say we approve.